Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be recording a day with me. Saturday, it is my nephew's birthday party, 2 years old. So I'm kind of going to record, I'm getting ready and all that. It's going to be super hot. It's going to hit 100 degrees in San Diego, which is like really weird. That never happens. So I'm gonna transform myself. I'm gonna dye my hair. I just went to CVS because my hair is horrible. Like, it's really light and it's just different shades. So I like to have my hair really dark black. I just bought this one. I know box hair dye is not great, but it's an emergency and I had no time to like schedule an appointment or anything, so this is the more natural one I could find, so it's gonna have to be it. This is blue black. My hair doesn't really last colored because I did dye it red a couple of years ago and it always wants to pop up, which I regret it so much. But I'm gonna transform my face. I'm gonna dye my hair. I should be ready. The party starts in like 3 hours, so I need to be ready ASAP. I just came back from the gym, which is why I look a little rough. So I'm having a little snack. I'm having a Quest protein shake and a toast with peanut butter and banana. I put the dye in my hair. I'm gonna wait about 20 minutes. One thing that I want to do is I had lash extensions, and as you can see, I have not many left. So I want to wear falsies today. Lashes, so I'm gonna cut them a little bit because sometimes they don't even look that good because these are like messing up my other falsies. So I'm gonna try and cut them. Hopefully I don't mess anything up and I don't go blind. Okay, so I'm gonna attempt to do it. I have a mirror in front of me, guys. Obviously I'm not gonna go too much so it won't go. Oh, it's hard. I don't want to cut like even though my real lashes are really tiny, because I used to wear so many extensions and I just messed up my real lashes. So I'm promising myself that this is the last time I'm gonna wear lash extensions. I only wear them because for my trip to Mazatlan, but that's it. I'm gonna let my eyelashes grow, hopefully they grow, and then this is the last time I'm dyeing my hair with the box dye because I need to take care of myself. A little bit. Oh my god, tiny. I think that's good enough. So meanwhile my hair is getting done. I'm trying to pick an outfit. I was thinking of this shirt with these jeans, but I don't know because like I said, it's extremely hot and this is long sleeve, or this one, these jeans with this cute top that oh, by the way, this is from Forever 21. This is from, a lot of you guys asked me, but it's a store here in the mall in San Diego. It's called Revolution. It's like a whatever store, but these were like 50 bucks, guys. This one I got it from H&M yesterday, was $4. It's just a little cute yellow shirt and these jeans. Or I was thinking of this skirt that I wore on my last birthday, and this little top from Shane, or that dress that I bought at Ross. I don't know, guys, help me. And my hair looks pretty dark right now. I'm just gonna add some products, and usually I would do my hair first because when I'm doing my hair I start sweating my makeup off, but right now I have no choice. So I'm just gonna put it this leave-in conditioner. I got it at Fit Fat Fam box, heat protectant, and it's really good for your hair. I'm not even gonna overdo it. I usually never overdo it with my makeup anyways. I'm not like a pro at makeup either, so this is not a makeup tutorial. Very quick, the foundation that I use, and I love this one, NARS. It's amazing, and this is the light coverage because I don't feel like I need so much coverage. I hate it when foundations are like so heavy and they look like cakey. I cannot get ready with that music, so since I'm recording with my phone, I'm gonna have to play some music here on my laptop. Okay, so I'm not planning to like get wasted today. I know there's gonna be some drinks. I don't drink often, guys, don't get me wrong. I'm not like the type of girl that's always gonna be drinking and get wasted. I actually don't drink at all because of the calories, and it's too much sugar and the weight gain, the hangover, you want to eat junk food. The only drinks that I do drink, it's either wine. Sometimes I'll drink shots because those are not really like a lot of calories, or White Claws or the Trulies, which are only 100 calories and 2 carbs. So those are the only drinks that I would have because I hate sugary drinks because I feel like I'm just sipping on sugar, you know. But yeah, that's my story, so let's go ahead and begin. makeup. I just need to add some lipstick and some highlight. I had to put the fan right next to me because I was sweating like as I was putting my makeup. This lipstick is from Sasha Man. Follow them on Instagram. It's a really new, it's a girl that's trying to build up her business, so I go ahead and support her. I'm gonna leave her Instagram below. Thank you for sending me this lipstick and the lashes as well. Super cute. And it took me forever to do my lashes because I suck. I don't really wear lashes, so it took me a very long time. Okay guys, so now time to do my hair. Honestly, I don't even want to put any heat because it's so hot. I don't know if I'm just gonna like put it back in a ponytail and some cute earrings. I don't know, but this is how it looks when it dries naturally. Look how puffy my hair is. It's ridiculous. So my hair is completely done. It took me only about 15 minutes to do it, even though I have a lot of hair, but it's done. I'm just gonna add this serum for skinny serum too, so it won't freeze up because my hair is so frizzy. I'm gonna like run my fingers through so it looks more natural. Just show you guys my hair through the back. So I think I'm gonna wear these earrings with this outfit. Again, these are from H&M and they were $7.99. I think these are cute. By the way, you guys haven't seen Josh because he went out for a run and I don't know what he's doing, running errands. So yeah, that's why he's not here. By the way, look at these little cute earrings that I bought at Forever 21. I'm like obsessed with earrings, but obviously I don't think it matches with it, so I'm gonna wear some other day. Hopefully for my birthday I can find an outfit because I feel like those are so cute. I'm just adding a little bit of highlight. I don't know if you can see it. And my eyelids, I'm wearing, this is from Target and it's amazing. It's super, it's like a little gel that goes on your lashes and it lasts a long, it goes on your eyelid and it lasts a long time. I'm just gonna wear my favorite perfume. This is from Daisy. My boyfriend gave this to me and this is my like signature perfume and it lasts so long. Unfortunately, I'm blind and I have to wear glasses, so that's why a lot of the times I don't even wear lashes or do my makeup, all that, because I need glasses. So I think I'm gonna wear these. I get a lot of questions on where I get my frames, and I get them from Warby Parker. You can look for them on Instagram, and I love their frames. They're cheap. So this is the full outfit. I think this is perfect for a kid's party. It's simple but cute. Very much needed. That's the birthday boy. I'm eating in the birthday cake table because there's no more seats with shade, so this is the food. Baked chicken, salad, and a little bit of rice because this rice is bomb. And some water. I am literally sweating while eating that. My makeup's gonna get all melted. It's gonna go down. Beto trying to be on YouTube atrás. Instagram, Beto Del MR2. Or tangerine. Yeah. Okay guys, so this is only 100 calories, 2 carbs. Happy birthday to you. There's something else. What is it? Yay! I'm late. Thank you. So we're here trying to get more drinks. You guys, right here. Cheers. Cheers. Hey, sola. Hey. Camera. Okay.
Smile. Ríete bien, así como en los dientes.
I don't like this.
You like what?
What was lame? Look at their real taco. I feel like shit. My head hurts. I'd like to know why I'm missing one nail here and I'm missing 3 here. I don't think I was being wild yesterday, was I? What happened to my nails? You were in charge of me. I remember one fell because of you. I was arguing with you. And then I remember I tried to grab your phone and then you pulled it and then my nail fell.
I was trying to finish my message. I think I finished. I'm not sure.
Mushes? So do you know what happened to my other 2 nails?
No sé, tú la arrancaste. Tú la arrancaste así.
I remember too also that somebody stepped on my foot dancing. And that shit hurt porque era con un tacón. And I felt like a little bit of pain. I'm like, oh my god, I'm drunk. I don't feel the pain. So that was it. I'm feeling like poop. I have the biggest hangover. I have a headache. And I woke up like around 6 a.m. And then I felt like still drunk. And I tried to go to sleep again. But everything was spinning. So I ended up falling asleep. And then I woke up 2 hours later, a little bit better. But when I got up from bed, boy, that's just a reminder why I don't drink often and why I'm not gonna drink again. Probably the next time I'll drink is like my birthday, but that's about it. I'm just drinking a lot of water to try and feel better, and Celsius, because I feel like it's gonna help. My man is gonna make me some aguachile because that's the best cure for a hangover. So hopefully I feel better soon, because right now my head hurts so much. I don't really get hangovers. I don't know what happened this time, but I have the best man. I need a kiss on my forehead. So here's aguachile. It was made in less than 45 minutes. If you guys want the recipe, this is the green one. I'm gonna leave it in the description below so you can go watch it.